You've been told to eat carrots for your eyes. A simple, well-meaning piece of advice. But what if I told you that advice is decades out of date? What if the most powerful, science-backed strategy for protecting your vision, for fighting back against the blurriness, the glare, and the fear of age-related decline, has been sitting on grocery store shelves, ignored? The companies selling you pricey eye vitamins and the food marketers pushing processed so-called health foods don't talk about this. Why? Because the solution is too simple, it's too cheap, and it works almost too well. We're talking about seeds, tiny nutritional powerhouses that contain the specific building blocks your aging eyes are starving for. The science is undeniable. One seed on our list was shown in a clinical trial to lower dangerous eye pressure by up to 24% in just 6 weeks. Others are packed with the specific antioxidants proven to shield your retina from damage. This isn't a miracle cure. It's better. It's real nutrition backed by evidence. Today we are pulling back the curtain on the 7 most powerful seeds to protect and even help restore your vision after 60. We'll count them down from 7 to 1, ending with the most potent seed of all. Stay with me, because the information here could change how you see the world. Literally. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Let's start with a familiar favorite, but used in a way you might not expect. Number 7 is pumpkin seeds. If you struggle with driving at night, if your eyes feel constantly dry and gritty, or if you find yourself squinting in bright light, the hidden culprit is often a simple zinc deficiency. Zinc is the delivery truck for vitamin A. It transports this vital nutrient to your retina, where it's used to produce melanin, the protective pigment that shields your eyes from damage. Seniors are notoriously low in zinc. The result? Poor night vision and a macula that's vulnerable to oxidative stress. Pumpkin seeds are one of nature's most concentrated sources of zinc. But it's not just about one mineral. A study from the year 2020, published in the journal Nutrients, confirmed that zinc is absolutely essential for retinal health in older adults. The Age-Related Eye Disease Study 2, a massive trial funded by the National Eye Institute, also found that a combination of zinc, copper, and antioxidants could slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration by about 25%. Pumpkin seeds provide these nutrients in their natural, whole food form. Here's how to use them for your eyes. You need raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds. Roasting them at high heat destroys the delicate fats. A small handful, about a quarter cup a day, is all you need. Sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal or toss them onto a salad for a satisfying crunch. This is your foundational defense. Number 6. Sunflower seeds. Moving on to number 6, this is another seed you've likely eaten, but probably in the wrong form, roasted and salted. I'm talking about sunflower seeds. Think of vitamin E as the ultimate bodyguard for your eye cells. Every single day, your retina is bombarded by damaging free radicals from sunlight and metabolic processes. Vitamin E stands on the front lines, neutralizing this threat. Raw sunflower seeds are arguably the best food source of vitamin E on the planet. Just 1 ounce provides nearly 50% of your daily requirement. The science on this is crystal clear. The original age-related eye disease study, known as AREDS, was a game-changer. It was published in the Archives of Ophthalmology and showed that high-dose vitamin E, along with other key antioxidants, was profoundly protective for those at high risk of vision loss. But why get it from a pill when you can get it from a real food, complete with cofactors like selenium that help it work even better? Here's the right way to do it. Choose raw, unsalted sunflower seeds. A small handful a day is the perfect dose. For an even bigger nutrient boost, try making your own sunflower seed butter by blending raw seeds in a food processor until smooth. Spread it on a slice of whole grain toast. Swap this today. Watch your clarity improve. Number 5. Chia seeds. Our 5th most powerful seed is a tiny black speck that performs 2 critical jobs for your eyes at once. Number 5. Chia seeds. You've heard that omega-3s are good for you, and it's true. Studies show that omega-3s are essential for retinal health. While marine sources like DHA are the most directly studied, chia seeds provide the foundational omega-3, ALA, which your body can use as a building block. But here's the real secret weapon for your eyes: the soluble fiber. When you mix chia seeds with water, they form on your gel. This gel slows down sugar absorption from your meals. This is critical because blood sugar spikes are a silent enemy of healthy vision. They damage the fragile, microscopic blood vessels in your retina over time. Chia's unique fiber helps protect those vessels, building a hydrating gel shield for your eyes from the inside out. Here's the actionable tip. You must soak chia seeds to unlock their power. Stir 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water and let it sit for 20 minutes. Or, make a simple chia pudding by soaking them in unsweetened almond milk overnight. You're not just eating a seed, you're controlling one of the biggest threats to your long-term vision. Number 4. Fenugreek seeds. Coming in at number 4 is a seed from ancient Ayurvedic medicine that modern science is now confirming is a powerhouse for aging eyes. Fenugreek seeds. As we just discussed, high blood sugar is a major threat to your eyes. It clouds the lens, leading to cataracts, and damages the retina. Fenugreek is one of nature's most effective blood sugar regulators. A study published in the year 2021 in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that fenugreek supplementation significantly lowered blood glucose and reduced oxidative stress markers in the retina. But there's more. Fenugreek seeds are also a surprise source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These two antioxidants function like internal sunglasses, absorbing damaging blue light from screens and the sun before it can harm your photoreceptor cells. How to use this ancient secret? Soak 1 teaspoon of seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, you can either drink the water and chew the now softened seeds, or simply strain and drink the water. This simple morning ritual is a direct investment in the long-term clarity of your lenses. Number 3. Nigella sativa, black cumin seed. This next one is perhaps the least known on our list, but one of the most exciting in clinical research. Number 3 is Nigella sativa, also known as black seed. Its power lies in a remarkable compound called thymoquinone. For seniors concerned about glaucoma or rising eye pressure, this is critical. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine tested black seed oil on patients with glaucoma. The results were astounding. After just 6 weeks, patients saw an average reduction in eye pressure of 24%. Thymoquinone works by improving the outflow of fluid from the eye and acting as a potent anti-inflammatory. It also boosts circulation. The tiny capillaries that deliver oxygen to your retina can become stiff and narrow with age. Nigella sativa helps restore healthy blood flow. You won't feel it happening, but this restoration is like bringing a dying houseplant back to life. Here's the practical tip. You can find cold-pressed black seed oil. The taste is strong. A common method is to mix a half teaspoon into a spoonful of raw honey. Consistency is key to seeing a difference in eye strain. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Our runner-up, seed number 2, is the perfectly balanced seed for total eye support. Hemp seeds. Your eyes need balance, not just rest. Hemp seeds naturally provide the ideal 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fats. This helps your body fight the chronic inflammation that can lead to dry, irritated eyes. That's critical if you've been dealing with that gritty feeling that never seems to go away. They help your body support a healthier tear film. And the magnesium? It's the relaxation mineral. It helps calm the tiny eye muscles that get overworked from reading and screen time. And it supports proper blood flow to the optic nerve. These are 2 underappreciated factors in clear, comfortable vision. The simple action: hemp seeds or hemp hearts have a mild, nutty flavor and a soft texture. They require no soaking or grinding. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons on absolutely anything: yogurt, salads, or steamed vegetables. It's an effortless way to reduce inflammation and relax your hard-working eye muscles. Number 1. Flax seeds. And now, the number 1 most powerful seed for protecting your vision as you age is flaxseed. Here is why it earns the top spot. Flaxseed delivers the richest plant source of ALA, the omega-3 that acts as a building block for DHA, the primary structural fat of your retina. This omega-3 powerhouse supports the integrity of your eye tissue and helps calm the inflammation that contributes to vision decline. But what truly sets flax apart is its unique lignans. These compounds support healthy blood pressure. This is vital for your eyes because high blood pressure can force fluid into the delicate tissue at the back of your eye, causing swelling and clouding your vision. Flaxseed provides a 2-pronged defense: structural fats and blood vessel support. But there is a catch, and this is non-negotiable. You cannot digest whole flax seeds. They will pass right through you. To get the benefits, you must use ground flaxseed, the ultimate vision-protecting habit. Buy pre-ground flaxseed and store it in your refrigerator to protect the fragile oils. Every single day, stir 1 to 2 tablespoons into yogurt, oatmeal, or a smoothie. This single habit is the most powerful nutritional step you can take for the future of your eyesight. So let's pull this all together. Protecting your vision isn't about some magic pill. It's about fighting the root causes of decline: inflammation, poor circulation, unstable blood sugar, and a lack of structural nutrients. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds arm you with proven antioxidants. Chia and fenugreek defend against sugar damage. Nigella seed and hemp restore blood flow and reduce irritation. And at the top, flaxseed provides both the building blocks for your retina and support for your blood vessels. The power has been in your pantry all along. Now, here is my challenge to you. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick just one seed from this list, the one that resonated most with you. Comment below and tell us, which seed will you try first this week? We read every single comment and we want to hear your commitment. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another senior you care about. Knowledge like this is too important to keep to yourself. Stay strong, stay sharp, keep moving.